Hey friends, welcome back to AI Finder. So I just made an entire cinematic workplace drama using AI, and honestly, the weirdest part is how little effort it took. No giant ComfyUI workflow, no dragging 50 nodes, no spending hours figuring out which model still works. I literally typed a few sentences, and the AI handled almost everything. And what surprised me even more is that this wasn't just generating random clips. It actually created a full sequence with storyboards, character consistency, voiceover, music, and scenes that felt connected together. So today, I'm testing ZooClaw with Seedance 2 for the first time to see if this is actually the future of AI filmmaking, or just another overhyped AI tool. The problem with AI video right now. If you've used AI video tools before, you already know the problem. Most AI workflows are honestly becoming way too complicated. You open something like ComfyUI, and suddenly, your entire screen looks like a NASA control panel. You're connecting nodes, loading checkpoints, fixing broken workflows, testing settings, switching models every 2 weeks. And yes, you get insane control. But at some point, you stop feeling like a creator and start feeling like an engineer. Even tools like Runway or Pika still require a lot of manual work if you want something cinematic or consistent. And this is exactly why ZooClaw caught my attention, because instead of building workflows manually, the whole system works like a conversation. First, look at the AI Specialist Hub, where you can find a lot of agents that work for you. Instead of manually creating every shot yourself, you basically describe what you want naturally. For example, I gave it a simple idea for a cinematic office drama. Something like, an exhausted office worker slowly realizes his coworker is secretly an AI robot. And then the platform starts building everything step by step, showing the workflow. Now let me show you the actual process, because this is where the platform gets interesting. Normally with AI filmmaking, you have to think about which model to use, how to animate, how to keep characters consistent, how to add voice, how to edit everything together. But here, the process feels extremely simplified. I just typed the concept, adjusted a few details, and ZooClaw handled most of the heavy lifting automatically. And the cool part is that it's using Seedance 2 behind the scenes, which is currently one of the strongest cinematic AI video models for storytelling and scene consistency. So instead of learning complicated workflows, you're basically directing the AI like a movie producer. And I think that's the entire point of this platform. Results, quality test. Now obviously the real question is, does the final result actually look good?
When did we get a new hire?
Good morning, Marcus. Your 9 a.m. brief needed 3 data corrections. I have already filed them. Also, Derek moved your Wednesday deadline to today. I have prepared a draft.
I think you'll all agree that this data speaks for itself.
Maybe she is just free.
That is not normal. Okay, I am watching you.
The original author field shows someone else. I have corrected the system record. I was recharging. I am Nina.
You never blink. You pulled 3 years of Madame Eva in 4 seconds. You do not eat lunch?
Does it matter?
Consider this a warning, the Marcus.
She already knew.
These discrepancies span 11 years.
These monitors stare pineapple under fines.
I was assigned to evaluate this office. You're the only one for that.
And another thing I found interesting is that this isn't only for cinematic short dramas. I also tested a quick AI product commercial. And again, the process was basically the same. Just change the prompt, and suddenly, the same AI system becomes an ad generator instead of a drama creator. That's honestly a pretty smart direction, because most creators don't just need one type of video anymore.
Born in darkness, forged in light. Precision engineered for those who move the world. Apex. Time redefined.
My thoughts. I think AI video tools are starting to split into two categories now. One side is focused on maximum control, more nodes, more settings, more technical workflows. And the other side is focused on making the creative process feel effortless. And honestly, ZooClaw feels heavily focused on that second direction. Instead of making you learn complicated systems, it tries to turn the entire filmmaking process into a conversation. And whether you love that or hate that, I do think this is where AI content creation is heading. Because most people don't actually want to become workflow engineers, they just want to create. So yeah, that was my first experience testing ZooClaw with Seedance 2. And honestly, I'm curious what you think, and if you want to test ZooClaw yourself, check the link in the description. The first 20 users who use my code ZCB22783 will get 2,000 free credits. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.